scared to drive mine. It's already fallen apart once. I just want to look at it, make sure it's gonna be okay. Yeah, thank God I know how to fix it now. This is broken. This thing is broken so many times on me. Oh, gee, that'd have been sick. Nice. I missed it. Nice. That's some bash in there, buddy. Oh! That's when you pray your car is waterproof. Yeah, you did a mud bath. Must have been feeling pretty stressed out. Got a spa mud bath. Oh! Right in the boulder. Nice. Yeah, exactly. Can't control it when it's in the air. What? What just happened there? Did you guys see that? It stopped working in midair. Yeah, man, you're good. Served by the puddle. Turn around left, they'll come back. Keep turn. Left. Rock. Now turn right.
Of course.
I lost my car, my Maxxis Traxxas. Won't go reverse. Anyone has any great ideas, help a brother out. Oh, right in the mud puddle, backwards. And man, and my wheel and my Typhoon, they keep on falling off. Got some new spacers put on there. I'll show you guys when I get home. Nice little jump. You guys got great ideas for that too. His granite has not broken once, as far as I think, maybe once. I think my Typhoon has broken like 7 times. Typhoon, whatever you call it. I'm pretty sure it's owner issue. Or driver's issue. Nice. Little bouncy rounds right before the rock. Nice air. Oh, I lost it. Trying to track these things is ridiculous.